Solis shower install. Step 1. Check to make sure that your walls are square and level. Make sure that your pan is level. Step 2. Take your bottom threshold, set it on your level pan, make sure it's square in the opening. You want to take your bottom bumpers, set those in the side jams. Go ahead and place your side jams in place. Check your side jams for square and level and hold them in place with some painter's tape. Now we're ready to mark our holes. Step 3. Now we're ready to install our threshold, side jams, the supplied bumpers, and guide. Once you're done with that, take one of your panels of glass, set it on the interior of the space. Make sure you've got foam, cardboard, carpet remnant, something under there. We don't want it on the hard surface. Once you're done with that, go ahead and install 2 of your rollers. Now we're ready to set our bar in place. Step 4, we've got our bar in, our glass is prepped to be installed. Let's take this top bumper, go ahead and set it in place. Now we're ready to hang our glass. Step 5, we're going to go ahead and install our anti-jump and our towel bars. Check for operation.